Oh, good. What did I get?
Again.
I'm so excited right now.
You're such a good aunt, Pam.
I know.
It's in there. You got it? What is that, Eleanor?
Underwater camera.
What is it?
Where's the camera?
We'll open it lately. Wow. Is your towel big enough?
Yep.
Thank you.
Just the right color, too, Tonda.
We'll get it out in a minute. Let's open the rest, okay? Who's this from? You guys can see. Oh, what is that?
Oh, those are sweet.
Let's see what it does. Ready?
No.
Pull it down?
Yeah. And the little ring that you swap They're different than they used to be. They have like a pastry on it.
Oh, really?
Weird.
So
And the winner is this toy.
cool. See what else is in it. Oh my goodness. These guys right there.
You can climb on it.
Oh,
That's cute.
I think they're
That's
super
way
cute.
cute.
I'm like so lost.
That one's going to make her scream.
They roll away. You want to grab all those, Bobby, for me?
How about you pick them up? Just throw them. Have some paper.
Those are so cute, huh? Oh my goodness, what is that? Yeah. The book? Can you say thank you really loud to everyone?
candy. I already told you no more.
Put it all back in your bag and give it to your mom.
Say it louder. Say thank you.
You can play with that. Put all your candy back in your bag. I already told you you were done.